Guys, welcome back to our YouTube page. Today we've got another awesome build. Today's build's an all custom whiteout themed build that we did for a really good budget price. We're gonna have all the components down below. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like even more, make sure to hit that sub button. We're building these builds every Monday and Friday over at our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/Stince. So if you like what you see here, come on over, check us out. We're building every Monday and Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern. See you then. All right, remind me not to smack the desk really hard, chat, okay? You've got to... I already lost one Christmas ball earlier, and I throw the case up on the desk, and it's like, whoop, whoop. Now I'm trying to keep my Charlie Brown Christmas tree looking good here, all right? Just as Cam, so I can just look you straight in the eyes and tell you how much I love you all. But you have to get these. You know, it's kind of like Santa's workshop here, okay? Okay. An all white PC. Yeah, we're doing a white case, white board, white cooler. So I got white fans, white cables. It's white. It's white, like a whiteout build. A Ryzen 7 3700X, 8-core CPU. We have the ZoomFlow Snow by ID Cooling. ID Cooling is probably one of the most underrated coolers right now on the market. 360mm AIO. I think they retail for consumers at like 120. And they're really good. When we hop back in the paintball, shoot, dude, I World Cup was last week, so we have the really good cooler for ZoomFlow. We're running it on the ASRock B550 Steel Legend. We're also adding an M.2 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter onto the board. A customer didn't need Wi-Fi; he just wanted Bluetooth. So instead of clogging up a USB port, we're throwing an M.2 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card on there. They're running about $16. Intel Spec. We got a 1 terabyte Western Digital SN550 blue. That is their blue NVMe. Probably one of the best all-around budget NVMe's in the market. You can get the Crucial P1s go hand in hand. I like the Western Digital just a tad bit more personally. We have a 4 terabyte Seagate SATA drive that we're putting in there, a 3.5 inch SATA drive. We're running 32 gigs of OLOy. There's a brand that's kind of newer to the market. They're right here. A little bit newer to the market. They make really good RAM. I think you can get 36. We're doing 3600 megahertz, I believe. Yeah, 3600 megahertz, 32 gig kits, and they retail for about $120 for 32 gigs, and they're really nice. It's all white, so it's really cool. We're running a RTX 3070 by GIGABYTE, and that's the WindForce 3 fan. It's a really good card. I have two of their cards here in the office. I have a 2070 Super there and a 2070 Super here on our other system. Both of them are running the WindForce cards. Really great all-around card. This has got a little bit of a black and silver accent, so it kind of goes with the theme. We're running a Thermaltake 850 grand down there. It's a fully modular 850 watt gold power supply with like a 10-year warranty. It's a really good power supply. I stock these like more than you could ever. I could probably build a fort out of them. They're really good. Highly recommend that power supply. It's got flat cables, so it's really good for cable management. It's really good to obviously use with braided cables like we're doing right here from LinkUp. And that's pretty much it. And then we're running it all in the Coolmaster TD500 mesh. I actually have this case. I swear by it. I love it. And I have it right here in my office. So this case is phenomenal. Probably the best case under $100. It is. Actually, I'm put my word on that. My stamp of approval. It's a $100 case. It comes with 3 beautiful white RGB fans in the front for static pressure. I think they're 1200 RPM. So you can run those. If you move like a cooler, like we're going to take the front fans out. We're going to move the cooler to the front for the full intake, and then we're going to put these on top for the back for the static exhaust pressure for the airflow. Other than that, that's pretty much it. This is a system that typically typically is about $1,850–$1,660, right around that ballpark. With labor, installation, and shipping, you're right around $2,000. So, and this is a system that is going to push some really good FPS. It's going to be able to really stream really well, and we're excited to build it for you guys. So let's get started. Heck yeah, Bob America said. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. All right. But yeah, we got some really cool stuff. This is gonna be a nice build, guys. This cooler is highly underrated. It is gorgeous. It doesn't require any USB ports. So here's my thing. I actually had a good friend yesterday message me. He goes, he's another PC builder. He's in He's in Connecticut. His name's Rich, and he's a good buddy. We've been talking about PCs. I've helped him get some components when times are tough right now for smaller builders. I don't say I'm still a smaller builder, but I feel like I'm growing. Rich is still a little bit smaller, so he doesn't have a lot of the connections yet. So I was helping him get some cards, and he's like, "What do you think your favorite 360 millimeter AIO right now is?" I said, without thinking, I obviously said the NZXT, either the Z73 or the X73. They're fantastic coolers. They have the newer pumps by ASRock. But the only thing about the NZXT is it's glorious in the box. The only thing about NZXT is that they require the USB to utilize the functionality of their cooler and their RGB functions. Sometimes people don't want that. They don't have the opportunity to use those extra USB ports. So budget-wise, the ID cooling is really good. The deep cools are really good. I'm trying to think of other ones that are. I really love the EK water blocks. They make a really nice 360 millimeter that you saw in our signature builds. So the reason I recommend a lot of like B550s right now is that it has a lot of functionality of the X570 without the price point. It still has PCIe 4.0, which is really nice to have. Or Gen 4, shall I say. The ASRock boards come really well packaged, so there's less opportunity for any kind of in-transit damage. And you get a really good board behind it. People sleep on ASRock. ASRock is phenomenal. It's rock solid. Ooh, sorry. Let me actually go full screen. I didn't mean to slam the camera there. ASRock literally wraps their board in anti-static foam, like packaging. They zip tie it in, so it's really good. Dude, I think we talked about it on Friday. Trav's gonna come up here once he's back in the States. He's gonna do a stream from the office here. Look at this. Stuff is nice. This is the OLOy. Schmozy. That stuff's pretty. That's the OLOy Platinum right there. So here's our little. This is our little M.2 Wi-Fi. Look at that thing. Our Asus has you have to get a proprietary like standoff for theirs. Here it is. It is. Huh. Beers coming with 10 gifted subs. Dude, we're at 68 subs. We've broken the record. Holy cow. Hype train. Affliction with the tier 1. Let's go. Holy God, my first hype train. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Oh, more gifted. You guys are gonna break me on stream. Level 5 hype train. Guys, you're breaking me, man. Oh. I'm just tired too. I was up till like 2 a.m. quoting. I was up at 5, man. It's insane. Yeah, you broke Stince, that's for sure. You did. Oh man. Yeah, a level 5 hype train at like 300% Smitty. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. Whew, I'm like hot. Water. We barely put a motherboard together in like 40 minutes. I do a motherboard in 10 minutes. That tells you how shook I've been from all the love and support today. Holy crap, man.
6 hours later.
Ooh, oh my God, there's more. We hit 200. Did we hit 200 subs? Get the frig. Are you kidding me? Man. Oh, I'll let you guys try to fix it. We're gonna go back to the building. We were in the middle of building this baby. We're gonna finish it up. It's really so cool. they're like that long versus like usually like that long. So that's not what she said. So don't start it. Don't start it, chat. All right, guys, we're gonna turn off the lights. We're gonna get her plugged in. We're gonna get her ready to boot. I'm gonna double check real quick, make sure everything looks tidy and neat inside. All the power is in. Yep. I think we're good, chat. I think we're good. She's ready. All right, chat. We're gonna turn off the lights. Make sure looks good right there, right? Is that what you want? Or actually, you need to see a little of both. You need the RGB fans and you need to be able to see the front. So let's turn them like that. Does that look good? This is baller. It's beautiful. You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? I love it. She's pretty. Let's look at the front. There's the front RGB. Beautiful. ID cooling fans. They actually match their back perfectly too in sync. And then let's go. Oh, there she is. There's a good side right there, right? Merry Christmas, right? It's perfect. Got the Christmas lights behind me. Got the Christmas tree in shot.
Guys, that's the build for today. If you like what you see, make sure to hit a like button on the video. Make sure to hit that sub button and get that notification as well. And we'll see you every Monday and Friday over on Twitch at twitch.tv/Stince every Monday and Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Time for another amazing Stince built PC stream. If you're not hitting that sub button, hit it now. If you're not hitting that like button, let's go.